what would be this vlog. Hello! What would this vlog be? What? So I just watched Erica Ha, and I'm with this cat. We are visited by this lovely cat. So I just watched Erica Ha. I'm currently watching Evelyn Ha, and I want to watch Caroline Manning next, so that I could, I don't know, whatever. If you guys don't know, of course you don't know, but I'm such a sad, so whatever this thing that I'm feeling right now, I want to be messy, girly. Whatever this is, I'm buying it. Let's do it. And I don't know, I don't want to go out next days, coming days, whatever days. I don't know why I don't want to go out, but I don't want to go out. I want to eat a bread. I want to make TikToks. I want to make hauls. To charge my power bank. Please don't give up on me. I need a pee, y'all. I need a pee. Wanna come with me? Okay, peeing success. I don't think I should be vlogging right now because I literally don't have full storage. Oh, actually, no, I do. It's just that I really plan on cleaning my phone storage. Like, I want my gallery to be squeaky clean because since I'm going to college soon, yes guys, it's currently August 5th, so I have like 13 days left since I've taken my college touring. Mom bought this earlier today. I've been devouring. What? I've been eating it since. Oh yeah. Okay. Lately, so hot, super hot. That's why today I've been chugging water. I'm just in front of the electric fan, and this has been my routine lately. I just rot in bed, scroll on my phone, binge on Netflix. So that's what I've been doing. I've been watching Gilmore Girls, and I finished season 2, season 3, season 4. Now I'm on season 5. I only need to binge like 3 seasons and I'm done. And that's what I wanted to do. I want to finish Gilmore Girls. I don't know if I can finish it before I start college. I don't think I can. I mean, as much as I want to focus with the show, I just cannot. Not because the show is not good or something, because it's so good. I'm eating it and like it's keeping me entertained, and I really Bianca yun. I really ano ba tuloy sasabihin ko? Gusto ko siyang matapos. I wanna finish it. I wanna say to people na I finished Gilmore Girls, because I feel like I don't think I can call myself a Gilmore Girls fan kung hindi ko siya natapos. Eto kasi yan. So, may routine ako. For weeks, yun yung pinapanood ko. Maybe I would magsisingit ako ng ilang movies in between, and usually I would watch a movie with my mom. Pero I have a routine. I would binge Gilmore Girls. Tapos I would eat. So yun yung ginagawa ko. Kaso last week, it's the week that I've been out of the house. So much than I did the past weeks or the past month or the whole month of July. Since I've been out of the house a lot, parang, you know, I got a little perspective of the world. And I realized na masyado ko nang ginawang personality yung Gilmore Girls na nalimutan ko na merong reality, merong real life, maraming everything. Kasi legit guys, kung bakasyon, sobrang dalang ko lumabas. Lalo na si mama nagkasakit din, nagkasakit din ako. Tapos busy din siya kasi nahatid niya yung kuya ko. So, ay! Lungko ko na. I'm gonna give you, sige. Para mukha ko mabait sa camera. Joke lang. Malamal lang. So, yun yung life update. Wala kaayos-ayos yung buhay ko. I wanna close the window because I feel like narinig ako ng mga kapitbahay. I don't even know if you guys can hear me. Ba't hindi ko kasi gamitin yung binili kong headphones, earphones? Binili ko, di ko pinagamit. So, sinara ko yung bentana, tapos nangalaglag siya. Kailangan natin iusin. I'm sorry about the lighting. Gusto ko lang talaga mag-vlog at mag-yap because I'm Erica. Because of Erica. Diba mas okay, may ilaw. Anyway, pangit ko naman, mas okay yung ganun yung lighting. Alam mo ka nababanas kayo kasi hindi rin dilim. I don't care about aesthetic, anything, kinesubong. Gosh! Ayan, mas okay yung lighting dito. Gusto ko lang mag-yap. At mag-yap ng mag-yap. So yun guys, nakalay na ako kaya kinuha ko yung tripod. Okay, I was yapping about my acid reflux. So, ayun, yun nga. Sobrang gulo ng buhay ko. Naririnig niyo ba ako? So, ito yung earphones na in-order ko. Akala ko tinapon pa ito ng nanay ko. Tapos kinalkal ko pa yung basura namin. Turns out, tinago niya lang pala. And dumating siya, may basag na yung screen. Anyway, saan naririnig mo ako? And, kaya ko siya kinuha kasi baka niya ako naririnig. So, ito pang saysay na binili ko ito, hindi gagamitin, right? Shhh! Oh my god, gulo ng pusa. Okay guys, I'm back. So, sorry, I have to use this because I really wanna go. Bali wanna go. So, yun na nga. Gilmore Girls lang naman yung gusto pag-usapan. Saan ako nakakarating. So, alam niyo, bakit gusto mag-focus sa Gilmore Girls? Yung ngayon ko lang na-realize na yung Netflix subscription ko pala is matatapos na siya by August 18. So, by the time I start, wala na ako Netflix. Kaya, wala na din ako mapapanood na ng Gilmore Girls. Kaya parang gusto ko na pala siyang tapusin na yung bakasyon kasi nilulubos-lubos ko yung Netflix subscription. What the heck? Hindi. Meron naman ako mapapanood yung mga illegal sites. But, kaso ayoko kasi doon. Walang caption. Ay, hindi. Meron. So, feeling ko tutuloy ko lang sa college. Hindi ko rin alam. Maybe I could be yapping right now and saying all these things. Tapos mamaya mag-bed chat lang ulit ako at itidilit ko lang ito. So, yes. So, mag-call tayo. Wala kayong magagawa, mag-call ako. Okay, guys. Ang bago. So, ako yung mga video ko. Noong kailan? Saturday. Nag-robes kami na lang ko. Guys, I forgot one more thing. sa ganito for correction tapes and such, pero hindi binili namin kasi nakita namin. So cute. Parang kung village. Nakita na ako ng pencil. Kung ano, kung ako ng pencil sa college. And about college kasi takot sa college. Sobrang gano'n ako takot sa college. Pero wala ko nagawa. Kasi sa cute na lang I can do it. Even I'm scared. Next thing. Speaking of college, I got this notebook. Actually, hindi ako yung bumili. Nani ko, bumili nito ng Furby. So, thank you, Mom! Siya 5 sections or 5 subjects. And I think I have 8 subjects. So, hindi ko lang. Baka yung tatlo is maligaw-ligaw na lang yan siya. Ewan ko, meron akong binder dyan. Hindi na akong yung local. So, I'm all set. Itong binder, guys, using binders, I feel like ang hassle nila. Lalo na kapag pinlip mo na siya, tapos ang bulky nung dito sa left side. I don't like that. Kaya parang mas gusto ko nila itong notebooks. And don't try to open. Pero cute siya. In kulay red. Matches my shirt right now. Ang available na color is black and blue. And this one, I chose this one. I could have went for black. Diba? Mas ano yun, natural kasi parang walang buhay. Yung blue naman, cute din yung blue. I wish I chose blue kasi halos ang mga pouch na pinabibili ko. Nahihilig ako sa pouch right now kasi ayaw ko yung gulo-gulo yung mga gamit ko sa bag. So, bibili ako ng pouch. Anyway, yung mga pouch na bibili ko is color blue. So, I think it would make sense na bumili ako ng blue para matchy-matchy. Pero, ako, yun, kinda like a red din na. Tsaka, cute yan ng red. Kita na kung sa red. Like, yung mga dark, red, yung mga maroon, mga ganong shade ba. And this one, it's not like that. They're still cute, brighty red. And next, tapos na tayo sa National Bookstore. We also went to this place that has a bunch of stuff. It's called Mutiso. Mutiso ba tayo nito? But we bought this. Ito yung season kong pouch. So, hindi pa akong pouch. Mas yun. Pero ako kunin. Pero, halos parang ganito lang eh. Different design. But, sino comment. This is from View. Wala na ano tong brand na to. View! Hindi lang pala View. View! Kasi meron siyang exclamation point. So, yan. Mesh lang. Gusto ko mga mesh. Ewan ko. Like yung pinili ko. And then, it's not particularly mesh. Pero kasi yung pouch na nakikita mo yung laman sa loob. Walang, kapatid ko lang. May pattern, whatever. Kasi yan. This one. Anong tawag dito? Multi-purpose safety pin. You guys, that's what it says. Yung yung pang secure sa maluwag na pants or maluwag na shirt kung gusto mo medyo fitted. Ako nga gusto ko nga ngayon like fitted na lang pants ko. So wala akong mahanap na fitted na pants. Wala pa akong money. This was 30 pesos. Purchase ko siya. Apat na siya in different color. I know bought a Rambon Royal Nail Polish for me. This was 36 pesos. This is color Pussy Red. Diba? Dark blue naman. Ito yung gusto ko. Gusto ko naman siyang gamitin. Kaso still have polish. Parang sayang naman kung burahin ko kaagad. talaga ito para lip liner kasi wala akong lip liner. Kasi yung black na meron ako. It's weird naman nagamitin mo yun as lip liner. It's color black tapos. Diba? Ayun! Okay guys, tapos na ako ulit sa vlogger and influencer era na wala na yung hype after ko pa si Erica. And I'm actually currently editing the video right now. But then our dog, nakawala siya. So our dog, nakatali siya sa balcony and nakawala siya. Pag nakawala siya, he's so violent. And kapag nilapitan mo siya, or tinanong mo siya, like, tinratan mo siya or anything, actually kahit wala kang ginagawa, our dog becomes violent. And right now, I'm the only one here in our house. So, and hindi namin siya madali, or hindi siya nadali before my brother went out because kailangan niya umalis kasi I was sleeping niya si ate. So, now I'm out. So, if he did anything, ako yung responsible or what? What the heck? So now I'm just here outside and I'm freaking out. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I guess I just have to be here. Kasi kapag pumunta siya saan? I don't think I can tie him kasi I'm afraid of my own dog. I don't think I can tie him up. Yeah, my brother wouldn't listen. And pinalabas niya. So now I don't know what to do. I really don't know what to do. Hindi ko lang pinalabas kasi kung nag-act up yan dito, I might the fool. Hindi ko alam gagawin ko. So now, I'm just gonna be here. And I hope you won't do anything stupid. Or better, sana mapagod na siya at may gana na siya dito. Diba? Kasi hindi rin kasi paano pag biglang may show up dyan, tumatawad-tawad pa naman dito. Like, kasi dito nakalahan dyan yung toad, andyan yung kitchen. And the kids are like afraid of the dog. And like, the freak, shit, ano kaya pala yung nagagawin? Let's just in here, okay?